Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn how to change the grid size in the schematic editor. The grid works like a guideline, helping us align components and connections. The default grid may not always be the best choice, so we need to adjust it depending on the situation. It's very simple. On the toolbar, you can directly choose the grid size, such as 0.1 inch, 0.05 inch, 0.02 inch. You can also go through the menu View, Grid Size to switch it. So why do we change it? A large grid like 0.1 inch is good for placing standard components because pins align more easily. A smaller grid like 0.02 inch is better for fine adjustment when drawing more complex circuits. In short, switching the grid size flexibly makes your schematic cleaner and help you work more efficiently.